Hi, my name is Jnanada Kadam. I came here because I was feeling this hoarseness in my voice for a long time, about 3 months, and no medicine, nothing helped. So I visited Dr. Vikas Agarwal, and that is when I got to know that I have a polyp on my vocal cord, and along with that, the doctor also told me that I have a deviated nasal septum, because of which my breathing capacity was compromised. I was not able to breathe completely with my right nostril because it was blocked because of the septum. So I underwent surgery for the same recently.
How many days back?
5 days back. Yeah.
5 days.
And I am recovering now, but even in the initial stage, I can feel the difference. My breathing capacity has increased. I feel, that I am finally able to breathe completely to the fullest of my capacity. I have gotten back my voice. I like singing, so
Why
I
didn't you
was
sing a
like,
song?
okay, so yeah, I was not able to do that because of the polyp, and also before that too, because of my reduced capacity in breathing. It kind of was a obstacle in singing songs with high notes or such things. So now finally,
Just take a deep breath and sing a line.
okay, I'll try singing a song now. Mm, okay. दिल तो है दिल, दिल का एतबार क्या कीजिए, आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए.
So this is after 5 days of your vocal cord surgery, right? And no surgery.
Yeah, and
You have sang for the first time.
yes,
Yeah.
I feel like I have a new voice, new breath. It's really refreshing, and it's really, going to boost my confidence as well.
What is your sleep quality in the last 3-4 days after the pack was removed?
I've been sleeping well. Much like, first of all, after the surgery, immediately there was packing, so I
Naturally.
was told to breathe by mouth. But as soon as the packing was removed, I slept so well, and now obviously I don't have to worry about my breathing, because earlier, if I ever got cold or anything, and even one of my nostril was blocked, it would cause a problem, because right one was already
Always blocked.
Yeah, almost blocked.
And now,
because of
now it is absolutely.
Yeah, so I had to breathe with my mouth. So now that all that is gone, I am able to breathe, and that has also improved my sleep quality, I would say. Uh, Obviously, in the coming days, I'm sure I will see more progress in this. But right now, I'm very happy with whatever this surgery has, given me. So yeah, thank you so much for that.
So, last question.
Yeah.
Is surgery something to be scared of?
No, not at all. I would actually, I am myself a biology student, so I am always curious about surgeries. I don't get scared of them, but in general also it is nothing to be scared of. It is something, I think it.
Was
in
it
fact,
painful?
it is a
Was it painful?
No, not at all.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I even during the surgery, I know that proper amount of painkillers and
Anesthesia.
everything. Anesthesia was given after surgery. Also, painkillers were administered. I did not feel pain at all at any point of time. Even after the anesthesia's effect wore off, I was fine. And yeah, just some minor discomfort. But then I feel then, rather than having the discomfort of the disease, it's better to get treated and face that discomfort for a few days. So yeah, no, I'm never scared of surgeries.
Perfect.
Yeah.